Hey guys, good afternoon. It's your girl Providence here. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. It is Sunday and we are back from church. So yes, I feel so tired, but I have to be prepped for the week. Yeah, I have to be prepped for the week. I'm probably gonna be making some African food and I think pasta because we had rice last week and I think they tired of rice, so I'm gonna make something different. So I'm gonna be making some draw soup, which is I don't know what they call it, the draw. Oh my god, I forgot the name. Oh my god, it's just draw. It's white mango seed. It's oh my goodness, I'll show you guys the seed. I just forgot the name, but also I'm gonna be making some melon soup as well. And yeah, so we just came back from groceries. We were in a church, and after church we just went off to do our groceries because most of the stuff from the African store is in Montreal. So yeah, I'm gonna get this done. Like, probably I look so, like, look at me right now, no makeup. I was just like, no, I'm just gonna go to church like that. So yeah, I'm gonna cook right now. So I hope you guys enjoy cooking with Providence. Yes. guys. Oh my god. I have in here my chicken for the soup. And I have in here my other chicken for the other soup. So still getting that done. I am tired, but I'm gonna be done in a few minutes because once the meat gets like boiled, it's so easy to kind of like do every other thing. Because the hardest thing when you're making like soup is just the meat, because I buy my meat in the African store. It's quite like, it's really hard. Like I literally cooked that for like 2 hours. I'm not joking, I'm not lying guys. So I need to get a pressure cooker, or I have to change where I buy my meat because this beef is too hard. The chicken, I like using hot chicken when I cook soup because I don't like when the chicken, Fred doesn't like when the chicken as well gets too soggy in the soup. He doesn't really like that. So yes, that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best to like make sure everything works out perfectly fine. I am done making the dressing, so I have it right here. Look at that, look at that. So I made the melon, and then I have in there my chicken and then my fish, and yeah, really I'm almost done. Bae's making the food. Why? Making the food. Is that how you make pounded yam?
Relax, it's gonna come out good. I'm in charge, right? So let me do it.
Yeah, you're in charge. Look at him right there, saying he's in charge.
I made all this food.
Oh please.
Everything.
Oh please, guys.
Good cook.
Yeah, he's my helper.
You don't even know.
Of course, I love you.
Oh wait.
So
I think I might need more.
what? Bae, bring
Wait.
it.
Don't worry about it.
I should bring more.
No, don't worry about it. It's good.
I should reduce the stove.
Don't worry about it. I got this.
Look at my husband. I feel like I should help you. Bring it.
Don't worry, I'm good.
Okay.
Not today.
Look at this emoji. Emoji guy making food. Thanks, babe.
It has to be done, you know. Like, it starts changing the color.
All right, Mr. Man.
See, it's getting stronger.
And stronger.
Yeah,
And stronger.
it's coming out.
Okay, while Bae's making the food, I am washing the dishes. Everything's pretty much good. Okay guys, I am done cooking for today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for watching me me prepping for the week. Have a great day, have a great week as well. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye guys.